So yes, this is a new live webinar. We'll talk about the new version of eDirectory that just came out, 13.8, and we will discuss everything new in this version. With us today, James is on vacation right now, so I have Larissa, our marketing manager. Hello, Larry.
Hi everyone. Hi.
Hello. And today, I think it's going to be a quick one. We just want to show you guys what we have been working on in this new version of eDirectory. So today's topics will include the AI-driven assists that will boost your SEO, content moderation, and reviews. Open mapping flexibility. I will show you what this means. Customization and mobile upgrades. If you are using the eDirectory app, this will be a good new implement for you. And other fixes for stability, for better stability and technical enhancements. And in the end, we can answer your questions, okay? So yes, so talking about the release itself, so we just released the new version of eDirectory last month in June this year. And with version 13.8, it delivers on three major fronts, which would be the AI working 24/7 for your directory with unprecedented flexibility in customization and mapping, and the most stable platform we've built so far, and with 36 crucial improvements as well. And we decided to divide this new upgrade in three pillars. So one would be the AI itself. The second would be the flexibility for mapping, customization of a few new fields, and the mobile app. And the third is the stability with 36 fixes and improvements for the new version. And talking about the AI, so we now have new options for AI content management. So this is where the magic happens here for the new version. We are very excited about these new features. So the first one would be the AI SEO assistant. It will analyze your listings and it will provide you with instant recommendations for better SEO tips and adjustments. So you don't need any SEO expertise to use this. You just have to follow along with the directions that the AI suggestions will give you. I will show you how to use this on a demo. Because the AI knows exactly what the search engines want, and it will help you to perform better on Google or Bing. So your listings, you can offer more value to your clients by this implementation as well. The smart content creation, so it becomes easier than ever to generate custom HTML for the widgets, landing pages, or promotional content in seconds. This new feature is tied with if you are familiar with the eDirectory page editor, this can be used on the custom HTML code, which is a custom widget that you can, create any kind of HTML code and put in there so you can create custom content. And a real-time saver would be the automated content moderation. The AI reveals all user-generated content before publication, maintaining quality while you focus on, selling your directory. So you can even choose your preferred OpenAI model for optimal performance. So if you're already a subscriber for ChatGPT or OpenAI models, by default, we use the GPT-4 by default, but you can choose on the settings whatever you want to use there, okay? Up next, we will talk about the enhanced reviews. So we all know that review drive decisions, and our AI transforms the entire review experience in this new version of eDirectory. So now sponsors can generate professional responses instantly. So no more struggling with what to say to a review that you've got on a listing, for example. So the AI will understand the context and maintain your brand voice if you have one. So users get AI generated review summaries as well. For example, if you have a listing that has like 100 reviews, so AI will sort these reviews and will come up with a summary that will indicate for the reader, for the final user, like the key insights of this listing and what it has to offer. So this increases engagement and helps customers make faster decisions across all platforms as well. It works both on the web version, and also on the mobile app version of eDirectory. So this is crossed on all platforms that we work with. Another flexibility that we are offering for the platform in this new version is mapping. I mean, flexibility means more freedom for you as a site owner. So now we offer an alternative to Google Maps, which is called the OpenStreetMap support, that gives you mapping alternatives, reducing the dependency on single providers such as Google Maps, and potentially cutting costs. If you don't know how mapping works for directories, for example, or any website, if you want to use Google Maps on your directory, for example, you have to, setting a credit card on the Google Maps, and it will start charging you after, I don't know, like maybe some couple thousand page views that if your website shows the Google Maps too many times, you can, charge a few bucks on the end of the month. And by offering this new OpenStreetMap support, it practically eliminates that cost for you. You can also now create unlimited custom badges to highlight different listing types. Also, the market selection plugin now works seamlessly with your mobile app. Before, it was just on the web version of the directory, so ensuring a consistent functionality everywhere. Okay, so here we have, for example, you can pick a location. Let's say you have a directory that is working in different markets, so you can choose now on the app as well. Okay, and also a little small details also matter. For example, now you can have regional adaptations. For example, you can now rename the zip code field to postal code for international directories if you want to. So yeah, that's a detail that we decided to include there. And moving on. Yes, so yes, another part of our expanded customization settings now. So subscription management becomes easier than ever as well. So now sponsors will receive automated emails after cancellations with fully customizable templates. So you can send custom cancellation emails as well. No more manual follow-ups for that. And also, we have fixed the checkout issues that were present on the past version. So improve the discount code handling as well, and streamlined the entire subscription process. So it's super easy now for sponsors. They will have a smoother experience, and you will have a better retention as well. And for technical improvements, I mean, we went for stability as the foundation of this new release. So we have implemented 36 fixes, addressing everything from checkout errors to mobile app functionality. JavaScript errors are eliminated as well so far. Image imports work flawlessly now, so you can import listings and images as well. And Cloudflare compatibility is optimized, which is the provider for content networks that we use here at eDirectory. So that is to ensure that your directory website runs smoother, faster, and more reliably than ever. Oh, yes. And just going back, we have a blog post so you can see all the fixes, and also you can read the changelog with all the details, that everything that we changed. Just go to edirectory.com/updates and you will see the blog post for this new version there. And yes, so why upgrade now? So I think that this table here shows our value proposition to you. If you are a eDirectory owner already, or if you're still considering whether you will subscribe to eDirectory or not. So this for directory owners, we have separated this to our 3 audiences that we sell the product. So for you, directory owners, is less manual work. For your sponsors would be better engagement, and for the final users, it's quick and smarter decisions. Also improved SEO for directory owners, easier review management for sponsors, and for end users, a consistent experience between, the web platform and also on the app that you have. And for directory owners, also more flexibility. For sponsors, fewer technical issues because of the optimized discount codes implementation and also the checkout process. And for the end users, we believe that it will generate higher quality content, since you can now provide a much better, richer content through your listings, through your reviews, through your blog posts, etc. So we have an upgrade request form available if you are an eDirectory user already. If you're not, if you're new, you can schedule a demo today. Go into eDirectory.com. And before we get to the hands-on here demo, I see that we have a few questions here. I think Larissa is talking to you guys on the chat. Okay, so let's move on to the demo. Let me get out of here. Okay. So right now, so yes, this is our demo directory website. So let me just bring my notes here. So yes, for example, let's say you want to get to know the AI SEO analyzer that we have. So that would be for the site owners. Let's log in again into our site manager here. So this is what you're going to do. You just log in. This is the homepage with the dashboard of everything that's been going on into your website. And okay, so to see the SEO analyzer in action, you have to go to content, listings. Let's say I want to get the first one here, A&J Cruises. I will edit this listing. And you will see right away here on the top right, next to the save button, you will see the AI SEO suggestions. You just go and click there, and it says it's analyzing your content and preparing smart SEO suggestions. So just take a few seconds. What this is doing is reading throughout the listing fields, and it will take the content on these listing fields, all of them that matter, and will give you suggestions based on SEO standards. Yes, like this. For example, I have an SEO score 65 out of 100, so good room for improvement here. And this is how it works. So it will give me AI suggestions based on AIs. For example, the SEO keywords are too generic, should be more specific to the business and its location. So it will give me these suggestions here. And I can either apply or I can edit manually. So if you think that these keywords resonate with your list, with the listing of your sponsor and what they're trying to sell, you can just apply. And you will see that these keywords here are for the search keyword. So this is for people searching for, let's say, cruises in your directory. So these are the keywords that will pull up the search result to indicate this listing. Okay, so I applied this one. So let's say the SEO keywords needs improvements as well. Let's apply the suggestion. And if I go down here, you will see that the SEO keywords, they are now filled in. If I want to edit them or just remove them, it's super easy. I just have to click here, for example. See? Or I can undo, or I can apply again. The SEO title should be included in the main keywords and location for better local SEO. So this is the suggestion. For example, you can just hit apply, and it will take you back to the top of the listing where the field is. So that's also super easy to use. The summary description should include keywords related to the business and its location, definitely. So you can also, of course, manually check it. We have been talking this about before in previous webinar, that this hybrid approach of taking what the AI gives you and manually editing, that's the key of success to use these tools. So it's super easy to use. You can, again, take the long description. I think that this is still too little. For example, I would, if I was the owner of this business, I would make it much richer with more information, with more valuable data that users might be looking for. So again, I'm just taking the ground, the base of what AI gave me, and I would go here and edit manually as well. The SEO title, again, you can also, it will create for you a meta description, the slug URL, the ideal slug URL, ensure that business hours are accurate and include any special hours and holidays. And once you have done that, you can just reanalyze. You just click the button and it will read through the listings again after the suggestions it made. And what, based on what you have applied on your listing, it will give you another SEO suggestions. So yes, that's super easy. It comes on the new version of eDirectory. So you can now make sure that, okay, we have increased a little bit our score, still room for improvement, but this is the idea of how this new AI suggestions works. After that, I would like to show you guys the reviews, the new AI review management system for your sponsors. So for that, we need to change our role here as an advertiser. So I will show you how your users will check their reviews and they can use AI to reply to them as well. Let me log in as a sponsor. And this is the dashboard of your sponsors. So if you're not familiar, this is what someone that has an active listing on your directory would see once they log in into the system. So as you can see, I have all sorts of informations and I have a review here. Let's see, all reviews. So you can see that, yes, I have a review by Noah Gordon here, and he sent this message. I could, for example, edit the reply. Let's say I don't like this message. I can just click generate reply with AI. Once again, so this is working on our favor here, and it created a super positive, welcoming response to the review. You can just click submit, and that's it. So it's super easy to your sponsors now to manage reviews with one listing, or it doesn't matter with one review or 100 reviews. It doesn't matter. So yeah, super easy to do this as well. Oh, since we were talking about reviews, I would like to show you the summary reviews as well. So let's say I am an end user searching for, let's go back to the directory website again. Let's say I'm looking for a listing here and I want to see the reviews and what people are talking about that business. Let's say about this gym here. Oh, sorry, it doesn't have any review. No, it does. So I have 6 reviews in this gym here, right here. So let's see. So yeah, so this is an AI summary based on user reviews. So it will give me this summary right here. So I can, take in consideration everything that people wrote here on these 6 reviews that this listing has, and it will generate automatically this answer for me with an overall summary of what's going on, what people have been talking about this business. So again, super valuable for the end user and also for the sponsors as well. So this is a nice thing that was implemented here that you can use. And lastly, I would like to show you the new mapping system that we have, which is OpenStreetMaps. As you can see, this is powered by Google Maps. It's always been that way, but sometimes people have been saying that this is still difficult. Sometimes they don't want to put their credit cards here because they don't want to get the risk of being charged because their directory is just starting, so they don't want to have any extra cost. And the solution for this, we decided Site Manager. You would go to Settings, Google Integrations. Let me log in again. And that's it. The first integrations that we have on Google is actually Google Maps. So let's say I don't have a key. I don't want to enable Google Maps. So disable, uncheck this, save changes. And once it's saved, let me go back to the Phoenix Gym listing. So you see that this is a map from Google. If I refresh the page, the map still works, but it's now powered by OpenStreetMap. So you see that still works just fine. So you can see the map. It works normally, but it's free. So now you don't have to be attached to Google Maps anymore. Um, I think that's pretty much it. So again, I invite you guys to read. So this is the blog post. You will see it. You will see on our blog page. I invite you to see the video, the release video as well. It's a very entertaining video that will show you uh, in a minute what we have been talking about here in this webinar. And if you want to upgrade eDirectory, you can go to edirectory.com/upgrade-form.php. So that will take you straight, Larissa pasted here as well. It will take you to the upgrade form. And if you are not an eDirectory user yet, go to the website, edirectory.com, and schedule a guided demo. And I think that's pretty much it. Let's open up for questions here. Let's see what we have. I see that Larissa has been answering a few questions here. Um, from Johannes, I would like to load data into an AI agent in ChatGPT. How can I connect a pre-trained ChatGPT agent with eDirectory so that AI suggestions given listing owners are much better? As of default, we are now offering the base integration with OpenAI ChatGPT, and also for it is tailored to the listing fields and the description fields on the directory. So there is a custom prompt there that will take your content and will adequate to be displayed as a directory content. For example, as of now, you cannot train a separate AI model. That would require some very sophisticated custom service. So as of now, we are offering the default options for ChatGPT. From Brandy, is there customization features for maps? I think you've mentioned icons, but what about colors? Yes, you can change pinpoints on maps. For example, in Google Maps, you can change the pinpoints to your colors, so you can match your directory identity to Google Maps options as well. So you can do that. Another one from Savannah. Where can I see demo of market selection plugin on mobile? So if you have the directory app, you can probably see that. I don't have the app in my hands right now. Let me give you an example here. So I think that you can see the image here. Let me just take this as an example. So you would see, let's say that this demo, you have a multiple market locations here. So it would show you an icon like this. You just click here and select the territory that you are looking for. Okay, that's basically how it works. Larissa, John, yes, talking to John, Saravan. Another one from Johannes. If I would like to use DeepSeek instead of ChatGPT, how can I change another AI? Not possible now, Johannes. We have built our backend on these AI features to integrate ChatGPT. We did many testings with several different AI models, and we decided to stick with ChatGPT for stability right now. So it is predictable for us. So as of now, we are working with OpenAI for the moment. Okay. Any more questions? So again, this webinar will be recorded and will be posted on our blog tomorrow. Feel free to check that. From Ron to Little, we'll pay $20 per month under another email. How do I integrate? Would pay. I think that you are talking about that you're paying $20 for ChatGPT, perhaps using another email, how to integrate. Yes, actually, you will use. Let's see. Let me show you this. Again, I'm on the site manager. You go to the general settings here. The integration with ChatGPT is down here. So right here. So this open API key, Rhonda, is the one that you already have, that you're already paying. So you will go there to your ChatGPT account, copy the API key, and then paste it here on your directory manager. Okay. And yes, that's how it will integrate with your account. Okay. So you don't have to spend an extra $20 to use this. You can use your own account. Just generate the API key. Okay. And if you have any questions about this, hit our support team at support@eDirectory.com or on the live chat on the website. They are prepared to answer your questions about these API keys and OpenAI key integration as well. So they are prepared for that. And Larissa also sent our ideas form. So you can send eDirectory ideas by hitting the website ideas.edirectory.com. So you can actually take part on actively on which features we should work next on the future releases as well. So you can also see the roadmap of implementation of the new features that we have. So you can be a much more active part of the community of eDirectory, helping building the platform. Okay. So yes, I guess that's it for today. There's a quick one. Thank you for joining today. Oh, another one from Candy. So if you use ChatGPT, it costs me additional $20. Yes, actually, if you have not additional, you can use your ChatGPT account. Okay, that will cost you $20, but you are paying for them and not for us. Yes, I guess that's pretty much it. You can hit us at edirectory.com or send us an email. Okay. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Larissa. And yeah, see you guys soon on the next webinar. Bye.